For the circuit shown in the figure, I0 to I3 are the inputs to the 4:1 multiplexer, R is the MSB given here, and S are the control bits. The output Z of the multiplexer can be represented by option A, PQ plus PQ bar S plus Q bar R bar S bar. Option B, PQ bar plus PQ R bar plus P bar Q bar S bar plus option C, PQ bar R bar plus P bar Q R plus PQRS plus Q bar R bar S bar. Option D, PQR bar plus PQR S bar plus PQ bar R bar S plus Q bar R bar S bar. In the given circuit, we have a 4:1 multiplexer, and it is given that in the control bits R represents MSB. So let us write S1 and S0 here. Writing the function table for that 4:1 multiplexer, we are taking R as MSB and S as LSB. 0, 0 represents the output I0. Here the I0 is tied to P or Q bar. This is an OR gate. So the output we can write as P or Q bar. And next, for R bar 0, for R0 and S1, that is R bar S, the output is I1, which is tied to P. Next, RS, the output is P and Q because this is an AND gate. And for 1 and 1, the output will be I3, which is again P here. So the output Z can be expressed as, here 0 and 0 represents R bar S bar, and the output is P or Q bar, plus the next term is R bar S into P. Next term is R S bar into PQ, that is I can write PQ R S bar, and the next term is P R S, P into R S. By minimizing this expression, we can see here we have R bar into SP here, and we have R into SP. So as R bar is 1, we can eliminate this R from this one and R bar from here, and we will be remaining with S and P. So the remaining expression we can write as P R bar S bar plus Q bar R bar S bar plus the next term here is PQRS bar, and the last term SP. Now, as it is difficult to compare the Boolean expressions from the given options, let us switch to the method of K-map, for which we will write the K-map for this one and compare the options from the K-map. This is a K-map for the variables P, Q, R, S. Now, mapping the first term P R bar S bar, this is the P region, and in this R bar region represents these 4 cells and S bar represents these 2 cells. That is the minterms in these 2 cells. The next term is Q bar R bar S bar. Q bar represents these 8 cells, with R bar these 4 cells and S bar these 2 cells. So we have one minterm here, another minterm is here. The next one is PQR S bar. This is the P region, and in this Q region represents these 4 cells, R represents these 2 cells, and S bar represents this cell. So minterm here. The next one is SP. That is, this is the P region, and PS region will be these 4 cells. So 4 minterms in these cells. Now let us compare which option will satisfy this K-map. Let us take option A. The first term is PQ. That is, this is the P region, and Q region is this 4 cells. We have 4 minterms in these cells, so this term is right. Next, PQ bar R, PQ bar S. This is the P region. Q bar region is this region, and S region is this one. So these 2 cells are also covered. So this term is also right. Next one is Q bar R S bar. As we have seen before, Q bar R S bar is these 2 minterms. So in option A, all the minterms are covered. So option A would be the right answer. Let us verify the other options also. Taking option B, the first term P Q bar. This is the P region, and P Q bar region is these 4 cells. But we don't have a minterm here. So this option B would be a wrong option. It covers an extra cell. Next, look at option C. The first term is P Q bar R bar. This is the P region, Q bar region is this one, and R bar region represents these 2. That is, this is P, Q bar region is these 4 cells, and R bar region represents these 2. These 2 are covered, right? Next, P bar Q R. The P bar represents these 8 cells, and Q means these 4 cells, and R is these 2 cells. But we don't have any minterms here, so this term is covering empty cells, so option C is also wrong. In option D, we have the first term P Q R bar. This is the P region with Q, these 4 terms, and R bar, these 2 terms. These 2 minterms are covered. The next option is P Q R S bar. This is the P region, Q is these 4 cells, R is this, and S bar represents this cell. So this is minterm is covered. The next one is P Q bar R bar S. This is the P region. Q bar is represents these 4 cells, R bar these 2 cells, and S represents this cell. So this minterm is covered. The last term is Q bar R bar S bar. Q bar represents these 8 cells with R bar these 4 cells, and S bar represents these 2 cells. So these 2 cells are covered. We can see that in option D, these 2 minterms are not covered. So option D is wrong. The right answer will be option A.